If you have walked by the STEM Center recently, you have most likely seen the Regis Jesuit Robotics Club hard at work on their new project.
Every year there's a challenge that's released, and 5,000 teams around the world make a robot to compete in that challenge, and then they have different regional competitions. And so this is one of those for the Denver area and really the state of Colorado.
Senior Christopher Maroney is the man behind the machine when it comes to the RJ Robotics Club.
This year, my title is the captain, so for that job, I'm making sure that the robot gets built and all of the little things come together to make the team actually function as a whole.
Every year, the Robotics Club competes in a competition where each team is given a task that the robot must complete in order to achieve as many points as possible.
I love the electrical stuff, so the wiring, the rat's nest that is the wiring this year, but it's a lot of fun to try to figure out how you want things to work, whether it's wiring in a switch that is going to be the end stop for an arm, and you want it to tell the code that once it sees current there, then it stops the program or something like that. I love that.
When it comes to actually building the robot, that's when Senior Trevor Jones comes into play.
This year's challenge is to build a device that can pick up totes in a recycling container and make stacks 6 high with a recycling container on top. It takes a lot of time. We have probably 7 people that are really dedicated so far this year, and we stay sometimes till 8, 10 o'clock and put in the hours to get it done. First thing we do is we read through the rules after being given the challenge, then we start designing, then we prototype, and then you're supposed to move on to build. However, this year we went through that first process about 3 times. So we designed, prototyped, built a little, went back, designed, prototyped, built, and that's how our robot's gone so far this year.
With all of their hard work done, the Robotics Club expects to do well in this year's competition. From RJTV, this is Wesley Stark, signing off.